Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Conversation. I'm John, and I'm excited to help you master English today.
And I'm Olivia. Today we're exploring two modal verbs that confuse learners constantly, may and might.
These words look similar, sound similar, and often seem interchangeable, but there are subtle differences that matter.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand when to use may, when to use might, and the nuances between them.
Before we start, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation. We make confusing grammar topics simple and clear with practical examples.
Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our helpful lessons. Understanding modal verbs is essential for fluent English.
All right, let's dive in. First, what are may and might?
May and might are modal verbs, helping verbs that express possibility, permission, or probability. They modify the main verb's meaning.
Both words can express similar ideas, but might generally suggests slightly less certainty or probability than may.
Think of may as about 50 to 70% possibility. Think of might as about 30 to 50% possibility, but this varies by context.
Let's explore each word in detail, starting with may.
Use 1. Expressing possibility in the present or future.
It may rain tomorrow. There's a reasonable possibility of rain, maybe 50% chance.
She may be at home. There's a possibility she's home. We're not certain.
They may come to the party. It's possible they'll come, not definite, not impossible.
May suggests something is possible and reasonably likely to happen.
Use 2. Asking for or giving formal permission.
May I use your phone? Formal, polite way to ask permission.
You may leave now. Giving formal permission to leave.
May we sit here? Polite request for permission to sit.
May, for permission, is more formal than can. It sounds polite and respectful.
Use 3. Expressing wishes or hopes, formal and literary.
May you have a wonderful day. Formal wish or blessing.
May the best team win, traditional expression of hope.
May you live long and prosper. Famous blessing, very formal style.
This use is traditional and somewhat old-fashioned, but still appears in formal contexts.
Now let's explore might in detail.
Use 1. Expressing possibility with less certainty than may.
It might rain tomorrow. Less certain than may, maybe 30 to 40% chance.
She might be at home. Less confident than maybe, lower probability.
They might come to the party. More doubtful than may come, less likely.
Might suggests something is possible but less probable or more uncertain.
Use 2. Polite suggestions or gentle advice.
You might want to bring an umbrella. Gentle suggestion, not softer than you should.
You might try calling again. Polite advice, not forceful.
We might consider other options, suggesting consideration without insisting.
Might make suggestions sound less direct and more diplomatic.
Use 3. Past possibility. Might have for things that possibly happened.
She might have forgotten. Past possibility. Maybe she forgot, maybe not.
They might have left already. Uncertain about past action. Possible they left.
He might have been sick. Speculating about past condition.
Might have plus past participle expresses uncertainty about the past.
Now, let's directly compare may and might to see the differences.
It may rain tomorrow. Moderate possibility, reasonable chance.
It might rain tomorrow. Lower possibility, less likely, but still possible.
She may know the answer. Fairly possible she knows.
She might know the answer. Less confident she knows, more doubtful.
We may go to the beach. Reasonable possibility of going.
We might go to the beach. More tentative, less committed to going.
The difference is subtle. Often they're interchangeable, but might suggests more doubt.
Let's look at permission. Only may works for this.
May I help you? Polite offer or request for permission.
Might I help you? This sounds very old-fashioned and overly formal, rarely used today.
For permission in modern English, use may or can, not might.
May we leave early? Asking permission formally.
Might we leave early? too formal for modern speech, sounds archaic.
Stick with may for permission requests.
Now let's discuss negatives with may and might.
Negative with may not, never mayn't in modern English.
It may not rain. Possibility that it won't rain.
It may not come. Possibility of her not coming.
May not suggests something possibly won't happen.
Negative with might not, or mightn't. Mightn't is rare.
It might not work. Possibility it won't work. More doubtful.
They might not agree. Possibility they won't agree.
Might not expresses uncertainty about something not happening.
Important. May not can also mean not permitted in formal contexts.
You may not smoke here. This means you're not allowed to smoke. Prohibition, not possibility.
Context determines if may not means possibly won't or not permitted.
Now let's look at questions with may and might.
Questions with may, asking permission or expressing possibility.
May I ask a question? Requesting permission politely.
May we join you? Asking permission to join.
Where may I find this? Formal way of asking where something is.
Questions with might, usually about possibility, rarely for permission.
Might this work? Asking if something could possibly work. Formal.
Might there be another way? Wondering if alternatives exist. Formal.
Might questions sound very formal or old-fashioned in modern English.
Most native speakers prefer, could this work? Or, is there another way?
Now let's tackle common mistakes learners make.
Mistake 1, using to after may or might.
Wrong, she may to come. Right, she may come.
Wrong, they might to leave. Right, they might leave.
Modal verbs never take to, always use base verb without to.
Mistake 2, adding s to the main verb after may or might.
Wrong, he may comes. Right, he may come.
Wrong, she might goes. Right, she might go.
After modals, use the base form, never add s even for third person.
Mistake 3, using may or might in past tense form.
Wrong, she may'd come. Right, she might have come or she might have come.
Modals don't change form. Use may have or might have for past.
Mistake 4, using might for permission in modern contexts.
Might I use this? Better, may I use this or can I use this?
Might for permission sounds too formal and old-fashioned today.
Let's practice with real-life conversation scenarios.
Scenario 1, weather discussion. Look at those clouds. It may rain later. Should I bring an umbrella? You might want to, just in case.
May rain, reasonable possibility. Might want to, gentle suggestion.
Scenario 2, making plans. Are you coming to dinner? I might come, but I'm not sure yet. What about Sarah? She may come, she said she'll try.
I might come, uncertain, lower commitment. She may come, slightly more likely.
Scenario 3, at work. May I leave early today? You may, but finish this first. It might take me an hour. That's fine.
May I leave, asking permission. You may, granting permission. Might take, uncertain duration.
Scenario 4, giving advice. I'm having trouble with this. You might try restarting your computer. That may help. If not, you might need to call support.
Might try, gentle suggestion. May help, possible solution. Might need, possible necessity.
These show natural usage in everyday conversations.
Now let's discuss may have and might have for the past.
May have plus past participle, past possibility with moderate certainty.
She may have left already. Reasonably possible she left.
They may have missed the train. Fairly possible they missed it.
Might have plus past participle, past possibility with more doubt.
She might have left already. More doubtful, less certain she left.
Might have plus past participle, more uncertain, could have but maybe not.
Might have also expresses criticism or regret about past actions not taken.
You might have told me. Criticism. You should have told me, but didn't.
He might have helped us. Regret. He could have helped, but didn't.
This use shows disappointment about missed opportunities.
Let's look at may well and might well, common combinations.
May well means quite possibly or probably.
It may well rain today. Strong possibility, quite likely to rain.
It may well be right. Probably right. Good chance she's correct.
Might well also means quite possibly, similar to may well.
This might well work. Good possibility it will work.
Both express fairly strong possibility. Well strengthens the likelihood.
Now let's discuss formality levels with these words.
May is generally more formal than might in modern English.
Formal, may I have your attention, please? Very polite and formal.
Less formal, can I have your attention? More casual and common.
Might for suggestions sounds diplomatic and educated.
You might consider this option. Sounds professional and non-pushy.
In casual speech, people often use could or can instead of may or might.
Can I go is more common than may I go in everyday conversation.
Let's look at regional differences.
Both Americans and British speakers use may and might similarly for possibility.
Minor differences exist, but both varieties understand and use both words well.
Here are memory tricks for using may and might correctly.
Trick 1. May equals more likely. May suggests higher possibility than might.
Trick 2. Might equals maybe not. Might expresses more doubt. Maybe it won't happen.
Trick 3. May for permission, might for suggestion. Permission equals may, gentle advice equals might.
Trick 4. No to after modals. Never may to or might to, just base verb.
Trick 5. Past equals have. For past possibility, use may have or might have.
Here are practical tips for mastering may and might.
Tip 1. For possibility, either word usually works. Choose based on how certain you feel.
Tip 2. For permission, use may in formal contexts, can in casual contexts.
Tip 3. For gentle suggestions, might sounds polite and non-forceful.
Tip 4. Remember modal verb rules. No to, no s, doesn't change form.
Tip 5. Listen to native speakers and notice which word they choose in different contexts.
Tip 6. When in doubt, might is safer. It's softer and less committal.
Tip 7. Practice with real situations from your life. Describe possibilities you face.
Tip 8. Don't overthink it. Often may and might are truly interchangeable.
Let's do practice exercises.
Fill in. Blank, I use your pen? Answer, may, asking permission.
Fill in, it blank snow tomorrow. Answer, may or might. Both work for possibility.
Fill in. You blank want to check that. Answer, might. Gentle suggestion.
Fill in, she blank have left already. Answer, may have or might have. Past possibility.
Correct the mistake. He may to go. Answer, he may go. No to after modals.
Correct, she might comes tomorrow. Answer, she might come tomorrow. No s after modals.
Choose better option. Asking teacher for permission, can I or may I?
Answer, may I is more formal and respectful with teachers.
Let's discuss alternatives to may and might.
Instead of it may rain, say it could rain or it'll probably rain.
Instead of may I leave, say can I leave or is it okay if I leave?
Could, can, probably, maybe, perhaps often replace may and might with similar meanings.
Let's do a comprehensive summary.
May and might are modal verbs expressing possibility, permission, or suggestions.
May generally suggests moderate to high possibility, about 50 to 70% likelihood.
Might suggests lower possibility or more uncertainty, about 30 to 40% likelihood.
May is used for formal permission requests. May I help you?
Might is rarely used for permission in modern English, sounds old-fashioned.
Both work for expressing possibility. It may rain, it might rain.
Might works well for gentle suggestions. You might try this.
Past forms may have and might have plus past participle for past possibilities.
Negatives may not and might not, but may not can also mean prohibition.
Modal verb rules, no to, no s, doesn't change form.
Common mistakes: adding to, adding s, using wrong form for past and might for permission.
Often interchangeable, but might is softer and more tentative than may.
Before we finish, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation.
We create clear grammar lessons every week to help you speak English confidently and correctly.
Subscribe now so you never miss an episode. Share this with anyone learning English.
Leave a comment using may or might in a sentence. Let's practice together.
Challenge. This week, notice when you hear may or might. Think about why that word was chosen.
Thank you for listening. We hope may and might are much clearer now.
Understanding these modal verbs helps you express uncertainty, make polite requests, and give gentle suggestions.
Keep practicing, keep learning, keep improving.
This is Daily English Conversation. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next episode.